Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a close look at a very handy and surprisingly satisfying little gadget. The stainless steel ear wax cleaning kit with 1080p HD camera and LED light. This is a smart, hygienic and safe way to clean ears for babies, kids, adults, and even elderly family members. So let's unbox it, explore the features and finally try it in real use. So, here we have the product box. The packaging looks compact, neat, and nicely organized. It feels like a modern gadget. Now, let's go ahead and open it. We have the user manual, which also includes the QR code required for connecting the camera to your phone or tablet. A manual cleaning set, which includes 8 stainless steel ear care tools. These are good for those who are used to traditional cleaning methods. They include spiral picks, scoops, and gentle massage heads for extra comfort. So we have extra silicone tips. These are replaceable and washable. This means one device can be safely used for multiple family members as long as tips are changed and cleaned. We also get a USB-C charging cable because this device is fully rechargeable. No batteries needed. Inside the box is the ear cleaning camera tool itself. It's sleek, light in weight, and feels comfortable to hold. This device has a stainless steel body with a silicone scoop attached at the front. It's soft and safe for the ear. Close-up of ear scope LEDs. Before we turn the device on, let's take a closer look. If we bring the tip close to the camera, we can see the tiny HD lens right at the center. Surrounding it, we have 6 LED lights. These help illuminate the inside of the ear while cleaning. Now, let's turn it on. You can see the LEDs glow instantly. The light is bright enough to clearly reveal dark areas inside the ear canal. We'll scan the QR code from the manual. I'm using an iPad for this demonstration, but this works the same way on Android and iPhone devices too. Once the app link opens, we tap download. It installs quickly. Now, we turn on the device again, open Wi-Fi settings, and select the device Wi-Fi network. There is no internet data transfer here. It's a private local connection just between the ear scope and your device. So privacy is fully safe. Now we go back to the app, and the camera feed appears instantly. Scene 5. Let's test the clarity. First, I'll move the scope close to the table surface. You can see how sharp and clear the image is. Even tiny dust particles are visible. Now, let's zoom into my finger. You can see skin texture, fine lines, and even pores. This camera really picks up details. Now, let's take a look at some very small printed text in the manual. Even the micro printing is clear enough to read without strain. So this is definitely a true HD camera, not just a basic lens. Scene 6. Demonstration inside ear. Now we're going to use it for its main purpose, cleaning the ear. Please remember, always clean ears gently and slowly. We choose a properly sized silicone scoop and attach it securely. Then, we slowly enter the ear canal. And here we go. Just look at the clarity. We can see the canal walls, natural skin texture, and ear wax buildup clearly. There is no guesswork anymore. You know exactly where you are inside. The silicone scoop is soft, so there is no sharp scratching feeling. Just a light, gentle movement. We slowly lift and remove the wax, little by little. There is no need to push deep, no need to force anything. Take your time and be gentle. It's an elderly family members. Also helpful for checking pets' ears, nose, throat areas, or even small inspection tasks. If you like clean, hygienic, and comfortable ear care, this is definitely a useful product to have at home. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, share, or comment. Stay healthy, stay curious, and see you next time.